coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into a quick haul from Bath & Body Works, and I have a little Walmart haul and some things that I picked up and I wanted to share with my family, of course. So if you're interested in seeing what those products are, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill, sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I know y'all like, well, why was she a little chuckling in the... I laugh because when I go left, I have to laugh sometimes. Oh, I laugh all the time. I love a good laugh. I love when you all tell me that you laugh and you enjoy my videos. I love that. I am not like... There are times where, yes, I have to be serious. You know, I have to be all, you know, stern and all of that. But I love a good laugh. I love smiling. I love making you all laugh and just enjoy your day, okay? We need that in life. So let's get into it. I picked up, let's go here. Let's go to Bath & Body Works first. So I've been waiting to really show this to you all. Put this over here. Sorry. So I've been waiting to show this to you all because I did participate and they had like a $5.95, I think it was, body care day, and I just haven't been able to let you all see what I picked up. So I'm going to show you all real quick. You all know your sis. I got, honey, if I don't get nothing else, I'm going to get the moisturizing body wash. Welcome. I love the moisturizing body wash. I love all their scent. Well, not all of them, but I don't know if I have tried any that I didn't enjoy. Interesting. We'll have to get into that. Are there any moisturizing body washes that I don't enjoy? If you're interested in that video, let me know. That's interesting. Anyway, so I have the wild sand. So we have prickly pear fruit, we have cactus flower, and warm agave nectar, okay? So this is really, really good. I think I've already tried that before, but I love those notes, okay? I love a good cactus flower. Sometimes, I feel like sometimes cactus flower also is really heavy, but I'm interested in seeing how that dibbles and dabbles in the fall. So I'm interested in that. And then we have the Luminous, as you all see, the Luminous new fragrance, okay? This is like their new, I think, one of the new signature lines that they came out with for the season. Anyway, have the moisturizing body wash in this. So the notes are ruby currant, gilt iris, and praline amber. So I have smelled the body care in this and I really did enjoy. So of course I wanted to pick up the moisturizing body wash. And then this is new. This is the Northern Brights. And this is the Eucalyptus and Pine. So, I don't know if I'm going to like this because pine, I feel like running through the forest. Yeah, it's very, very foresty. And you all know how I am, so I don't know. That's why I might do a video of ones that didn't work for me, but I'm scared. All that to say, I'm scared, but I am going to try this and see if it vibes for me for this season or if it just doesn't. Because it could be a one and done. I'm not mad at that. And then I got another one. Didn't know that. So I got two of the Luminous moisturizing body wash. And then, that was it. And then I got the new fine fragrant mist, the Golden Berry Mistletoe. So, don't know what this smells like, but I've been really kind of taking a step back. You probably all have, ooh, this is good though. You probably have noticed I've taken a step back in purchasing the fine fragrant mist. And the reason is I have so many and I'm really running out of space, to be quite honest with you all.
There are too many of them. What are we going to do?
And I don't reach for them all the time. Now, I do reach for them, but it's not as heavy as I reach for my fragrances. So I wanted to take a step back because I know when you go into that rabbit hole, you can be deep in that rabbit hole. And, ooh, but this is a good rabbit hole to be up in. Okay, this is really good. Oh, I enjoy this. Wow, what does this have in it? So notes, we have sparkling berries, sugar spruce, and frosted air. Now, I don't know what the sugar spruce is. Oh, but that is so good. So if you do like a sparkling berry, but it does give you this kind of like a winter fresh, like airy type of note scent. This is really good. Oh wow, this is really good. So if you haven't picked this one up, this is a good one to get. But again, for me, we'll dip and dabble because I think I just ordered. Yeah, I did. Not even I think. I know I did. I ordered. Victoria's Secret had a sale, like it was like an $8 sale recently, and so I did grab some fragrant mist from that. But I'm trying to back off because, girl, you ran out of room. Like, where am I gonna put these things? Like, I don't know. And then last but not least, I went to Walmart. Yeah, you know, we always making up a name. So I went to Walmart, and I got from the Walmart. So you all know this is like an essential product for me that I wear. Like, this is my foundation that I wear throughout the season. So I had to get me another one because, honey, did somebody tell somebody about my secret? Because I feel like for the Palmers, okay? I feel like every time I go to Walmart, I am having to scrape. And this was the last one. So who told somebody about my secret? Because, honey, I used to be able to get like a whole bunch of them at one time, and this is becoming very hard and far between to get a hold of it. But this is, if you want a good moisturizer, something like a foundation, something, and I have sensitive skin, so this works for me. So had to re-up on that. Always am re-ing up on that. And then I picked up the new holiday collection, okay? So I got the sugar cookie, and I am excited, okay? Now, hear me out. So, if you've been here in time of 2 or 20, you all know, like, Dove product, like the body wash, does not always work for my skin. Actually, not even always. Doesn't work for my skin.
That doesn't make no sense.
So the fact that I even picked this up, I was like, girl, why? You about to break out.
Benadryl? Where's the Benadryl?
Aisle 2.
Which one's aisle 2?
The one with the big 2 over it.
Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Whoa!
So I'm gonna try it.
This is not gonna be good.
I don't know why. Don't ask. I don't know. But a sister's gonna try it because when I smelled the sugar cookie one, I was like, oh, I need it. I need it.
I mean, why is your face suddenly bigger than it was before?
I can't feel my lip.
This smells so good. I mean, I had to get this one, so I'm gonna try it out.
This is not gonna be good.
If I break out, then you know better, so you do better, but I'm gonna still do it. So I'm gonna try it out and see what happens, but I had to pick that up. But I definitely had to pick up. Now, these are the body scrubs, okay? So I got the sugar cookie. This to me was like, it smelled the best out of all of them because there was 3 of them, and I did not pick up, I think it's like peppermint bark or something like that. Girl, I don't like peppermint bark on just like the candy of the peppermint. I don't like peppermint bark in real life. So I wasn't gonna pick that up. Like, I smelled it and was like, it reminded me, no girl, you not gonna pick that up. It is peppermint and like dark chocolate bar. Like, no. Miss me with that. I'm not your dark chocolate bar type of girl with the peppermint. Nah. Nope. If they give you like, in restaurants, sometimes they give you like the peppermint chocolate, like at the end of your meal. I think Olive Garden maybe used to or still does that. I think they still do that. Miss me with that. Keep it. I don't need it. Keep it. I don't like that. I don't know. And there are people that I know, some of my family probably love. They're like, what? You don't like peppermint chocolate from Olive Garden? Girl, what are you doing with your life?
I told you I didn't want them in.
Well, I didn't believe you.
How could you not believe me?
Well, who's gonna turn down a junior mint? It's chocolate, it's peppermint. It's delicious.
I mean, I'm doing a lot with my life, but I just don't like that. Like, I don't. Nasty. But I did pick up the sugar cookie, and then I also picked up the cinnamon pumpkin pie. Now, I will say I did really good because at first in my cart, I was like, I'm gonna get 2 of these and 2 of these and 2 of these. And then I was like, nope, you're going to test it and see if you like it. Then if you like it, cool, you could come back and get some more. But I did go to Walmart again today, and I probably should have went with my first thought because it was gone. Girl, I think I seen this and then the peppermint one. I think I seen one of these. But this does smell so good. And it smells like the spice, the cinnamon spice. I am so ready to just dive and just douse my body with this. So if you have not picked up the new limited edition, okay, and this is from Dove, this is the holiday edition. If you have not picked them up, go check it out at your local Walmart and pick them up. It is absolutely a must try at least, okay? And if you are like allergic to Dove products, I'm sorry. I apologize ahead of time. I should not be influencing even myself. Why did I pick this up? We gonna see. We gonna see how it turns out.
This is not gonna be good.
Well, that is all. A little quick haul of what I picked up from Walmart and Bath and Body Works, okay? I hope you all enjoy your weekend. Make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, all right. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. You all have a wonderful weekend again. Bye.